This year's Paris Air Show is all about the new generation of commercial airliners. First flight of the Airbus A350 took place just before the show, and Airbus has a full-size mock-up of its cockpit here at Le Bourget. With the 787 fleet now back in the air, Boeing has two of the type on display. Looking ahead, a stretch derivative, the 787-9, is expected to fly in August. And British Airways is looking head-on at the future of its fleet. The first Airbus A380 in British Airways livery is here at the show. The aircraft will be delivered to BA 2 weeks after the show, and within days the carrier will also receive its first 787.